If you are worrying about your health and taking care of your well-being, don't skip any second of this video until the end. My grandmother taught me this trick, and I wanted to share it with everyone here. I'll show you how very important to your health it is when you dare to burn a piece of garlic. Most of people, they don't know about what this rare and super unusual trick is for, but I guarantee that once you do this, you'll thank me forever. But first, before I teach you, please subscribe this channel and click the notification bell, like, and share this video to the people you love. Then I need to know how far this video is reaching. Tell us through the comment, where are you watching us from? I will give you a hug in the next video. Let's now start and note everything down. Let's choose a clove of garlic here. Be careful not to peel it off. Now just take a toothpick that we use to clean our teeth and stick it in the bottom part of it. Then careful, take a lighter and set the garlic on fire. And now, let's turn the garlic slowly as if it were a barbecue. Let's let this garlic burn a lot. You must be wondering about what is the next step. And what is all this for, guys? I know you asking yourself why we are burning the garlic. And the reason is? Garlic contains a substance called lysine, which acts as an antibiotic and anti-inflammatory. And when it is heated to -50 degrees, it can activate these priorities. Then the peel we left at the beginning is to prevent it from burning. So if you have sharp pains in the tooth, very severe unbearable pain, and you cannot quickly run to the dentist, do this treatment. It will reduce all inflammation. Let's now peel the garlic, and it's going to stay like this. Tell me which city you're watching this video from. I really like to know where our videos are going. So now, you will consume this garlic. Another benefit of consuming this garlic that is roasted is because it can prevent these problems. 1. Diarrhea. 2. Constipation. 3. Eliminate gas and help in smooth food digestion. This also serves to relieve and disappear appendicitis. Remember to always go to the dentist at least once a year. This burned garlic contains benefits for your health. Frequent garlic consumption also helps lower cholesterol, regulates blood pressure, fights fungi and bacteria in the body. And it also protects the heart. Healthy and balanced diet to enhances the result. Tell me about how this video helped you. I really hope you enjoyed it. And now, my lovely wife, want to ask you something. It is a very special message for you. Listen.
Share this video with your friends on social networking sites. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. For me, it is pleasant and important for the development of this channel. Subscribe to the channel, write a comment, or at least a smile. It will not be difficult for you, but I will be very happy. Thank you for your attention. I try very hard to cook the simplest and most interesting recipe. God bless you as usual. Until the next video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, along with share, like and comment to our videos.